folks, I'm going to give you a great tip that will prevent your soldering projects from leaking. We call it sweating pipe. A major factor in having leaks is when you can't get the water shut completely, or the house is draining and you get some flow of water, not that much, but a little flow of water. Even a tiny little bit of flow of water, if you try to heat this up, your joints will leak. And if it's an enclosed system, you know, if you have the piping going around, you will superheat this water, it will become steam, and then you will absolutely have a leak. Now there's a product, I don't sell this product, I don't get paid for promoting this product, incidentally. It's called the Swet. It's kind of super neat. If you see the rubber gasket, you put this inside the pipe, the water's running, you hold back over there, pardon me, it's big, now it's right, and you turn this counterclockwise, you see the water dripping out, check this out. Check that out. Now, you can absolutely do a copper project. That's just residual water. Without having a leak. Straighten out the handle. You slide on whatever you're trying to sweat, and you won't have a leak. And just for you doubters out there, I can tighten this up a little bit more because it is still dripping. Again, counterclockwise. 100% stop the water. Again, whatever you're trying to solder, slide it over, fit it on, do your soldering, 100% leak free.